Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today, I am going to show you how to adjust mouse sensitivity in Windows. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. You can also do that by pressing Windows key plus I button. In the Settings window, select Devices and then choose Mouse from the left-hand menu. Now click on Additional Mouse Options on the right side. In the Mouse Properties window, navigate to the Pointer Options tab. You will find a slider under Selected Pointer Speed. Move the slider to the left for lower sensitivity or to the right for higher sensitivity. After making your adjustment, click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. And that's it. You have successfully adjusted your mouse sensitivity in Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TechFox and hit the like button for more real-time problem-solving videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.